Hey everybody, getting ready to go get my tint done. I know you guys missed me. Been gone for a while, but I promise I'm back. Just had a lot of things going on between work, you know, life is life. And so remember I was talking about getting stuff done for my car. So I'm going to do the outside or more aesthetic things right now because my car's still under warranty. So I'm not trying to do all crazy stuff and then blow my warranty. So I was trying to get some information on the different types of tint, you know, which one you should go for, because tint and the variations all do different things. If you're going for more aesthetics and you just want that darker, cool tone or color, then you go for regular tint. If you're looking for ultraviolet rays and you're looking at, you know, heat exposure, then you go to more pricier ones like ceramic or nano ceramic. A lot of variations to tint. Last time, like I said in my other video, I went with the nano tint. I know they advertise that that's the best tint. It is the most expensive tint because it's supposed to block out 98% of, you know, the heat. And I think for the most part it did a fairly good job, but for the price, I just don't want to spend that much money for tint. I'd rather be, you know, spending money differently, whether or not it's tires or, you know, throttle body, something else. I'm leaning towards doing ceramic tint. I don't want to do regular tint because regular tint is more for fashion, just to look good aesthetic wise. I do want some tint that's going to have some kind of benefit as far as my Laguna seats. Scat Pack, I had Alcantara seats, so you want to protect these seats, right? These seats are expensive. So I'm looking for some kind of protection, UV protection, some kind of heat protection. And I think ceramic tint would be the best of both worlds. I don't know a lot about the percentages as far as, you know, how much sunlight. I do know, I think Nano says that they can block 98% of the sun. I'm assuming the ceramic tint has to be somewhere around 75% or higher. But when we get up to, I'm taking it up to, you know, Tint World close by me, and hopefully he can break down the things. I have decided that I'm going to do 20% all around, because last time I did 30, and to me it was just too light. I didn't like it. I wanted to look aggressive, so I'm going to do 20%. I'm not going to do the 5% because I'm not that risky. So I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Alright guys, we're at Tint World down here, Newport News on Jefferson. Come out here and check Ron and them out. Any service that you want, tint, whether or not it's ceramic, nano, they do great detailing work here. Check out their services on their website. Here you have all of the detailing, vehicle graphics, wheels, tires, here at Tint World. Again, I'll leave the information down below in the description. Come out and check out them, support them, one of our local businesses here. All right, everybody, I'm here at Tint World. This is my boy Ron right here. So he's gonna kind of go over things. First, he's gonna show his baby off here.
So yeah, this is my 2007 first gen SRT Jeep. Right now, on the upgrades I've done to it is a custom exhaust.
Okay.
Stainless works, long tube headers, boil exhaust all the way back, stage 2 tune. So, you know, you see it on the street. You know, just.
So what made you go with the exhaust? So I did mid muffler delete. I was trying to go cheap, still have that aggressive sound. So what made you? Well,
I wanted to completely change the sound. I didn't want it to sound like no other Jeep because the authenticity of it, you know, and the rarities of these. I just wanted to make that investment. And if you want to come around to the back, I said the main reason I did it because This is something that was specific to Jeeps. Shotgun exhaust.
Woo-wee.
5-inch tips.
Nice. Nice, 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 nice. That's awesome.
07 with 96,000 miles.
Nice. So do you just, I mean, practical wise, do you find that this is basically, you can utilize this for anything? Is that why you went with this, or versus getting like the Hellcat, anything like that?
You know, my dad and some of the old guys had that one old school that they never got rid of, and it was unique. So I wanted something that was a little bit diverse.
Okay.
And you know, these, when they first came out, was a game changer. It was the fastest SUV production that they ever made. So this is something I wanted when they first came out. When I was able to afford one, I couldn't resist it.
Yeah. Yep.
And now I can't let it go.
There you go. This is beautiful. So what tint is up here, you said?
That's 20%. 20% premium.
Good.
On here.
See, this makes me feel a little bit better, because I was scared about going 5% anything. Last time I did 30% and I was scared. My nerves are bad.
You know, 20 is a good move. 20 is that perfect balance of privacy and visibility. So you won't be disappointed with that at all.
Perfect. I got it pretty clean back here.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's one of the things we try to do to set ourselves apart from the other shop is not only the cleanliness of the front, but also the cleanliness of the back.
Yeah, yeah. It's real nice out here.
You got car lovers and enthusiasts like yourself, when they bring their car in, to see it on a floor like this and an environment like this, it makes you feel a little bit better about the services.
Yeah.
Our responsibility is matching the quality to the appearance. Yeah. And that's something we try to do.
So do me a favor and kind of run down the different tints, you know, if you're looking for more aesthetic wise versus, you know, trying to protect your seats, which, like in my case, I have the Laguna seats in there. So you want to look at basically the heat exposure, kind of break down the different tint packages. And
absolutely. So right here we offer 4 different levels of tint. First, starting off with our economy, that's our basic level. We don't really recommend that for our newer cars because it does has metal in it that has interference with your cell phone. So we always like to start newer cars off with at least the premium to the ultimate, and we're going from good, better, and best. The differences are this one, it still have a lifetime warranty. You don't get as much heat rejection. You get about 46% solar heat rejection. Okay, not bad, not terrible.
Okay.
When you bump up into the ceramic, which is the newer technology that everyone is using from ceramic coating to ceramic tint, you do even do ceramic tint residential, commercial.
Okay.
The benefit to ceramic tint is the amount of heat rejection you're getting and the amount of UV protection you're getting. Okay. That's the biggest thing. UV is what fades and crack your interior, not the heat. It's the UV.
Oh, okay.
Beating down on it and that UV. So when you get to the level of Supreme, and you're getting 99% UV, 85% infrared, that's a game changer. And when you want to bump up from there and go to the best of the best, which is the ultimate, that's the Nano ceramic. Nano is the newest thing that came out March of 2022. Super, super nice. You go all the way up to 95% infrared heat rejection. Okay. You're talking about 95% of the heat staying out your car. Now, for the EV drivers, that's major, because now with the Nano ceramic on your car, with the EV, it extends your battery life because your car is not producing as much air. You don't have to work as hard. So
disclaimer: we ain't talking about no EVs on this channel. No. I'm just messing.
But it does help. It helps all cars.
Yeah.
When your car has to pull from the alternator, pull from the battery, it's something that can help out quite a bit. Which perfect. So let's go over here and show you this display of what ceramic is. Okay. So right here we have a display that has this Nano ceramic tint on top. This right here is representative of clear glass for those who are still riding in fish bowls. So you can pull this up. What this is a heat screen to show you how much heat is being generated when you don't have ceramic tint. Okay. So this is like having on thermal glasses or something of that nature. So once we switch it over to the Nano ceramic tint, you can see it start to cool.
That's awesome.
It's pretty good.
That's really good.
So it'll continue, that circle will get smaller and smaller and smaller. And that's the amount of heat that's been rejected when you have either one of our ceramic tints, but the Nano, of course.
Yeah, yeah.
It's pretty good stuff.
So based on the ceramic, and then there's different stuff. You have the ceramic, and then you have the nano ceramic.
Yes.
Ceramic would do okay.
Yeah, ceramic is great.
Okay.
Ceramic is a good price point for an extreme high quality product.
Perfect.
If you want to get in the higher end, especially if you go with a lighter tint, I would always recommend the Nano ceramic, because some people want 35 or the 50%, which is the Virginia legal. Then definitely upgrade to the Nano ceramic.
Perfect. All right. I appreciate you breaking that down for me. Guys, come check out Ron at Tint World. 20% all around. Alright guys, a couple of before and after shots in the video. Overall, I am very pleased. I'm very pleased how Ron took the time to kind of go over everything, break down the differences between the tint. So you guys can get a feel of what different tint works best for what. So if you guys are in this area, please hit them up. They are excellent. The care is excellent. They're efficient, very knowledgeable. Took the time to explain everything. They also have different services, so they're not just limited to tint. Again, I will have all that information down below for you guys. I appreciate all the love, the feedback. Thanks for being supportive on my channel, and I will talk to you guys soon.